BI and process mining are distinct and yet complementary. As shown in the Process Mining Manifesto, the task force on process mining is recommended process mining to be embedded in analytics in BI platforms. Imagine investing decades of time and money in BI infrastructure that now holds tremendous knowledge on a competitive advantage for a company. What if that have the power to adapt analytics and BI infrastructure to meet their process mining requirements too? BI tools are best in visualizing KPIs. KPIs demonstrate how effectively organizations achieve business objectives. Process mining tools are best in demonstrating how much time, cost, and effort is needed to meet a specific company KPI. If companies feel challenged to meet their KPI objectives, process mining gives them the answer and helps solving the problem. Every process mining application lives from data access and the ability to visualize data. That's exactly what BI tools have been doing for years. Just look at the track record and progress made by Microsoft over the last 5 to 10 years. Today, Power BI comes with more than 150 backend connectors. Hundreds of custom visuals are developed by Microsoft and the worldwide community. Today, companies can easily start their process mining journey inside Power BI, whatever the data source is and however they like to visualize data.